It's totally unique. It's the only museum shipyard in the country, and we let people right in to see what's going on. I think is amazing. We basically buy logs and we turn them into ship and boat parts. There's a tremendous amount of respect for the historical methods that were carried out before us, and we try to duplicate things in kind, make them look like the ships were when they were built. Right now I'm supervising the restoration of the steamboat Sabino. I believe she's the last coal-fired wooden steamboat in the country that's certified to carry passengers. Today I'm working on the rudder post for the Sabino, and I have a piece of locust that's 8 feet long.
When we bring Mayflower 2 into Mystic Seaport, hundreds, if not thousands of people are lining both banks of the Mystic River when we come up, and the excitement and the draw of the ship coming here to Connecticut is fantastic. The original Mayflower in 1620 brought the Pilgrims to the New World in Plymouth, Massachusetts. This one, Mayflower 2, built in 1957, is a replica or reproduction of the original Mayflower ship that was given to America as a gift of appreciation and thanks by the English for our help and cooperation during World War II. We're doing a major preservation effort for the ship. Everything you see here is brand new for this year. Mystic Seaport's main priority this year is to replace the half deck.
We spent a lot of time working on the principal vessels of the museum here. We've had a pretty wide array of large vessels, but as far as this vessel goes, it is kind of neat that she's here and that the two institutions can kind of work together to give her a second lease on life that she needs now at this point.
And starting next fall, we will be at Mystic Seaport for an extended period of time to address all the issues in the different parts of the ship. Mystic Seaport is the holy grail of wooden shipbuilding knowledge and preservation. The artisans and craftsmen they have here, I don't think you can find anywhere else for wooden ships. The collaboration that Plymouth Plantation is having with Mystic Seaport as two nonprofit educational institutes